Meet EddySonix Acoustic Resonance Testing. The system excites the part and captures its vibration signature using one or more pickup channels. For large cast components, the test typically uses acoustic resonance impact (ARI). For small advanced manufactured parts, the same platform also supports acoustic resonance sweep (ARS) with controlled sweep excitation up to 1 MHz. Stable mode labeling keeps modal indices consistent, even with dense responses. From these modes, the system forms robust features, including selected frequency ratios. The software applies precise mode fitting, not simple peak detection. It estimates modal frequency, damping, and amplitude, and can resolve closely spaced modes. These features are sensitive to structural changes caused by cracks, voids, cold fusion, low nodularity, and local geometry deviations. Each part is placed on a dedicated fixture inside an acoustic chamber. Deployed in industrial environments since 2008. EddySonix Acoustic Resonance Testing. Contact us for a demo on your parts.